Hello, beautiful woman in Manifest Money, Love, and Legacy. Welcome, welcome. Welcome to this week. Welcome to the activation of the portal for nature and for tapping into and connecting into the elements, fire, air, earth, and water, as well as ether. And opening up to the spirit of each element, the template of each element, the codes of each element, the gifts of each element. That gives us a bridge to a connection to, almost like a stepping stone into this connection that we have with the divine consciousness, with oneness, with pure love energy, with all that there is, with God, source, spirit, the universe, with this energy of creation. Connecting us into our truth and our power so that we remember who we are, awaken to the truth of who we are and the magic that lives within and the gift of who we are, so that we are able to be embodied in our truth, so that we move through our days in this lifetime, in this body, living in the truth of who we are. And so that is the gift that the elements give us in many different ways, and I'm going to share with you how. And the elements are just one of many different stepping stones. Almost what I'm seeing is a stairway to heaven, so to speak, and we have many different stepping stones that we get to take that bring us into connection with Spirit Source, God, the universe, pure love, energy. And for many people, there will be different stepping stones. There are many stepping stones. And in truth, we don't need the stepping stones. In truth, we are already connected. We are already one. We are already whole. We are already this pure love energy vibrating in our cells. We are already this infinite intelligence. But for some of us, and as the journey of being human, a natural part of the journey of being human is the sense of disconnection, of being separated from. So in truth, we are never separated, but we have the gifts of these stepping stones, these tools that spark alchemy, that spark a shift, that spark this deep connection. And this week we are connecting into the elements. And you may find that this deeply resonates with you. You may find a natural affinity with the elements, or you may feel like it's just not your vibe. Whatever it is that you're feeling is perfect. But I am inviting you to really open up to, and many of you have said yes to, the alchemy that the elementals, no, I'm not talking about the elementals. I'm talking about elemental alchemy though, the alchemy that the elements bring. And it is deep, and it is beautiful, and it is expansive. And you have said yes. So celebrating that yes, honoring that yes, and I'm inviting you to just take a moment to feel that yes, if you said yes. And what I'm going to do is, give me a moment because I'm adjusting things here. I'm going to pull a card for the elements for this week for all of us as a collective. For each of us who have said yes to journeying through the elements, to embracing the gifts that the elements offer, as well as the lessons. Everything is a gift, even if it feels hard. And opening up to that beautiful, powerful alchemy that comes with the elements. Whoa, that fell out. And it's such a beautiful card, of course. Serendipity. Oh, and look at that fiery energy. I just love it. I'm going to show you the card again. So this message is asking you over the coming days to pay attention to little synchronicities that stem from unexpected events. A life-changing event or inspiration will soon reveal itself, or you may feel as if it is already revealing itself, and perhaps when you least expect it and in the most unlikely place. Through this, you gain a deeper awareness of the spiritual reality that surrounds you. This leads to creative possibilities, positive opportunities, new friendships, blessings, abundance, and all the joy that comes through seemingly out of the blue, but of course all in divine order, all blessed. And I love the unexpected energy that has been flowing through this entire journey since we joined it together, opening up to the unexpected, allowing your gaze to shift from what you have been so intently focusing on, and allowing your gaze to tap into connecting to your third eye, your spiritual eye, so that you can see the unseen and allow these magical, synchronistic, divine blessings to drop into your space, however they drop in, whether it is through divine downloads, ideas, a beautiful burst of art, a deepening of your connection, or it may be opportunities and experiences that seemingly come your way. So that is what we have ready for us as we tap into the elements. And because I haven't given a opening of the portal into the elements, I'm feeling that today we just open up to inviting the elements in, and I'm going to pop a second video in just around the element of fire, and we will then connect into fire from tomorrow. So fire will be we'll do fire, air, earth, water, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, and then we'll have the weekend to integrate. Absolutely perfect. And that means that you can wake up tomorrow with an understanding of what fire brings, and you can start embodying it as you open your eyes tomorrow morning, rather than now listening to me and perhaps half the day is already gone. So that feels good. So sending you love, and look out for the second video for fire. Mwah.